Hi friends, welcome to Bella's Stitchery. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to make paper hydrangea flowers using a petal punch. This is from EK Tools. This is their large hydrangea, which stands to reason there's also a small version, or regular, or miniature. Who could say? This is the first one I found online. This is the one I ordered. If you've used other sizes, awesome. It's the same technique. This actually is probably even better to show on video because it is ginormous. So let me show you. First thing you're gonna do, take any paper. I liked using white because I'm going to color my hydrangeas before I put them together. So you're just gonna punch your petals like so. And for each flower, you're gonna wanna do 2 punches. And stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm gonna show you a couple alternatives to this, as well as what they look like on a card, okay? So you'll get some ideas. And what I like about this craft in particular is that you only need the one tool and whatever else you have in your arsenal already. It's not like to do this craft, you need 50 different supplies. Like, you know, when you go to get a makeover and your eyes look amazing, and then they're like, yes, it only takes these 14 products, and then you just walk out like, okay, well, I guess that explains why my eyes normally look like they do. Anyway, I'm gonna be using the Seedless Preserves Distress Oxides from the center of my hydrangea. You can use any oxide, any ink, leave them plain, use chalk, whatever you want. This is actually pretty dark. I'm also using one of those makeup blending brushes, which I have a tutorial on if you want to check these out. I like it just because it's a little bit softer. And see, it's still pretty dark. It's a dark color, but it doesn't matter. But it lets me blend it a little bit more than with the ink daubers. I feel like sometimes just put too much ink on there can look a little harsh. This is a little bit smoother, I think. And I'm not a good blender. I don't color well. You'll see I don't do a lot of stamping videos or color inking videos that have to be perfect or pretty because I just don't do that. So this is very forgiving. You're just gonna blend to your desired amount. Okay, pretty, right? Super easy. You could do like 50 of these at one time and just put them in like a drawer or a box and have them ready. Okay. So the next thing you're gonna do is get some kind of pencil roundish tool, and you're gonna just curl your petals like so. It's a pretty quick project as far as paper flowers go. I made a bunch this morning. And then I'm gonna use art glitter glue here. Just put a little bit behind there. And you're gonna wanna stagger it. So you have one here so that you see all of the petals. I'm just gonna kind of do that. There's essentially your flower. Now for your center, again, you could use pearls, buttons, whatever. I wanted to use these glass beads. These are by Finnabar Studio, if I'm saying that right. It's part of Prima. I mainly wanted to use them because I've had them forever and I always forget about them. So I thought it'd be pretty. I don't know if you could see that, but they're just tiny little plastic beads. So I thought that would be kind of a nice, elegant look for the center. I'm just gonna put some glue in there. Sprinkle those in there. And that is it. Oh, I hear the kids. I bribed them today with stickers. They have stickers in their beds to play with because I'm like, I'm gonna do a video real quick. Just go take a nap. Here's some fun stuff. Doesn't work. Okay, so here's my flower. How easy is that? Literally probably 30 seconds. You're done. Now you could add leaves, put it on any project, cards, scrapbook pages. Let me show you. I said I'd show you what I made. Look what I made this morning. Ta-da! 3 of those flowers, same exact way, same exact seedless seedless preserves, white cardstock, those glass beads, and then I just put some pearls around there, die cut some leaves. I used some Nuvo drops. These are the Dream drops, those are awesome. Some ribbon. This is I dyed by hand. I have a tutorial about how to do that too. The seam binding, so fun. Some Stamperia paper. I'll post a link to this if you like this kind of style. The leaves are from the same Stamperia collection. And look, couldn't be easier. Couldn't be, I don't want to say cheaper, less expensive for something this deluxe, because really the only real ingredients are ribbon, which you can buy in bulk, and the little tiny embellishment pieces, but all the rest really is just paper. So I think it's fun. Let me show you also some other options with the same punch. Ooh, you could use blue. For these I used regular distress ink. This is tumbled glass, so it's kind of like a soft powdery blue with some silver pearls. Those are kind of large pearls there. And then for this, I used chalk. So this is my chalk, which has seen better days. Don't judge, it has been dropped a lot, which is why it looks like this. I don't know if any of you play with chalk. It's messy. So I used some yellow there for the center of these. And then I actually finished it off after I put some more of the glass beads in the middle. I used a silver glitter spray over the top of it, partly because I'm never sure if chalk comes off over time. So I wanted some kind of sealer, and I also just thought it'd be kind of a cool look. So let me see if you can, I don't know if you can see the kind of glitter on there, but it just kind of gave it a little bit of a sparkle. These almost remind me of like a Hawaiian type flower, like on a lei. So that's my tutorial. I kind of love these. I just got this punch yesterday in the mail, and I thought it'd be a fun one to show because again, it's not rocket science. It's not 47 folds. You don't have to measure anything. You don't have to use giant sheets of paper. You could use a lot of scraps. I always have extra paper. So it's kind of fun. Let me know your comments below. Any tips, tricks, whatever you have for making your own flowers. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, check it out and try it out. Let's make some stuff. Bye.